How to delete price alert on eToro. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can delete a price alert on eToro so your notifications stay organized. First of all, open a web browser and type in etoro.com in the URL box and search. Make sure you're logged into your eToro.com account's homepage, and once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the watch list button on the left-hand corner. Now from the watch list tab, select your asset that you've previously set an alert on and click on it. On the next page, click on the three dot right next to the trade button after selecting your asset and click on set price alert. If you've set up a price alert previously, then you'll be able to see the price alert over here. Click on edit. To delete the price alert, click on remove, and you have successfully deleted an active price alert in eToro. You'll no longer be notified for that price. That's how you delete a price alert on eToro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.